Today we will talk about Michael de Guzman. Michael de Guzman was a Filipino geologist involved in the Bre-X gold mining scandal. He allegedly died from a helicopter crash in Indonesia in 1997. But before this, the Bre-X Minerals Limited, a Canadian company, claimed to have discovered a massive gold deposit in Busang, Indonesia in the mid-1990s. This spark led to a stock market frenzy with Bre-X stock price soaring from a few pennies to over Canadian dollar 286 and 50 cents. The fraud was, however, uncovered after Freeport-McMoRan showed no traces of gold. De Guzman was the chief geologist for Bre-X and played a key role in the alleged fraudulent activities by salting core samples with gold. He led a complex personal life with multiple marriages and a lifestyle that raised eyebrows, which could have prompted the plan of a massive gold fraud. On March 19, 1997, de Guzman reportedly jumped from a helicopter over the Indonesian jungle. The official narrative suggested he committed suicide due to health issues like malaria and hepatitis B, and his guilt over the fraud. His body was then found days later with missing body parts, which were reportedly surgically removed. Some believe de Guzman faked his death and is still alive. Inconsistencies in the post-mortem findings, such as the unrecognizable state of the body, fuel these theories. Dr. Minay, a forensic pathologist of the National Bureau of Investigation in Manila, conducted an autopsy on the body, found identified as Michael de Guzman. He used photographs, sketches, videos, forensic autopsy techniques, and sent some tissues for DNA analysis. The physical findings at the post-mortem included severe decomposition and missing internal body parts, which led to further speculation about the true identity of the body after his fingerprints were verified as that of a certain Michael de Guzman. Speculation still exists on the identity and whereabouts of a certain Michael de Guzman.